Welcome students, I hope all of you would have answered this question correctly. Now we are asked to find the remainder when 6 raised to the power of 2017 is divided by 37. Now to do this question we would have to have the following information. So that is 36 is congruent to -1 mod 37. So this is the important information that you will have to know. Now this can be rewritten as 6 squared is congruent to negative mod 37. So we are going to use this particular information in solving this question. Now 6 raised to the power 2017. I'm going to write this as 6 raised to the power of 2016 positive 1 in this fashion. So now this can be rewritten as equal to, now from the law of indices, suppose you have a raised to the power m positive n, you can always rewrite it as a raised to the power m multiplied with a raised to the power n. This is always possible. So by this I can rewrite this as 6 raised to the power of 2016 multiplied with 6 raised to the power 1. So this is always possible. Now this can be further rewritten as, I'm going to rewrite this as 6 times 6 raised to the power, I'm actually starting with this 6. Now 2016, this can be rewritten as 2 times multiplied with, so 1008. If I were to multiply by 2 times 8 is 16, so you place the 1 there, 2 zeros are 0, 2 times 1 is 2. So let me write it with some clarity. So this is going to be 6 times 6 raised to the power of 2 of 1008. So this is what I've got. Now I can always write a raised to the power of m times n to be as a raised to the power of n raised to the power of m. I can always write it like this, or I can write this as a raised to the power m raised to the power n. So all of this are possible. So I'm going to rewrite this as 6 times 6 raised to the power of 2, which in turn is raised to the power of 1008, right? Now this entire thing can be rewritten as, now clearly you know that 6 squared is congruent to -1 mod of 37. So this can be rewritten by using this result which we already have. This can be rewritten as, this is congruent to, when 37 divides this is going to be 6 times of -1 raised to the power of 1008. Now what is -1 raised to the power of an even number? Now clearly we know if you got a negative number, say a -1, if it is raised to the power of an even number, the outcome is always going to be a positive number. In this case it's going to be positive 1. Now if I were to use this same principle, -1 raised to the power of an even number, then this is going to be congruent to 6 mod 37, right? So what is the inference? When 6 raised to the power of 2017 divided by 37, we get a remainder 6. Thank you students.